Hello everyone. Today let me try and attempt to speak on how to boost our immunity during this COVID-19 times. Yes, it's a stressful times when most of us are locked in our house. Even the small children are not able to go out and play. So let us see what are the important things needed to keep ourselves immune and fit. The most important thing is sunlight. As you all know, sunlight improves our vitamin D. As when sunlight falls on our skin produces vitamin D, and vitamin D is a natural immunity booster. Now, most of us are locked down at home and are not able to go out, but if we stay in a separate house, then we can go on our terrace, or if we do stay in apartments as well, we could go into the terrace in the mornings or in the evenings. We could make a short walk there so that we and our children soak in the sunlight. Next, foods. Preferably, let us try to eat whole grain foods such as whole wheat, brown rice, millets, and lots of lentils, sprouts, and beans in our diet. This have natural immunity boosters. As usual, let us reduce sugar intake, let us reduce salt intake, let us increase our fruits and vegetable intake. As much as raw food we consume, it is very easy to digest and very important in not only in the nutritive value but also in immunity boosting abilities. So fruits and vegetables it is. People who do eat non-veg, let us try to eat eggs, poultry, and fish. This gives adequate protein in our diet, and as we know, all antibodies are made out of proteins, which is very essential in our foods. Coming to exercises. Again, we are not able to go out of house. How do we exercise? This itself is an important question. So people who are working from home and are sitting on their desktops or laptops, every hour or so they should take a break for 3 to 4 minutes. They should ensure they are stretching, they are doing a brisk walk or a jog where they are standing, so that there is a bit of exercise to them and the muscles also are contracting, relaxing, leading to a good blood supply all over the body. So this stretching will greatly help. For children who are less than 5 years, minimum of 3 hours of physical exercise is required. So parents should think of ways where they could do some skipping activity at home, or they could play some games which may involve a bit of running at home. Children who are above 5 years till 17 years, they should at least work out for at least 60 minutes every day. So now many of the schools have physical education in the curriculum. In case that is not happening, parents should ensure that they have a skipping rope, or they are doing some squats or push-ups, or doing a standing jogging at a same place, and ensure that children at least work out for 1 hour a day. If children can do some push-ups and squats, it again gives, it works out the major upper body muscles and the lower body muscles, which improves the strength of those muscles. For adults, it is recommended at least 30 minutes of exercise every day for at least 5 days a week of moderate intensity. So this could be brisk walks or light jogging or skipping, but everyone should have some amount of physical activity, and physical activity itself is a huge immunity booster. Healthy parenting. Now children are locked up at home, children do not know what to do, parents are also at home with lots of works, home responsibilities, taking care of their office work and also taking care of the children. So this could lead to some frustrations. However, parents should first sit with the child, make a routine. Some of the things for the routine are as follows. Don't compromise on sleep. Ensure that child sleeps well, minimum 8 to 10 hours per day. Keep a regular routine for food. So, because they are at home, let the food timings not go haywire. The same time should be maintained for breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. Avoid mid snacking. Ensure that child is having fruits and vegetables on a routine basis. Screen time. A child ideally should not be watching the screen for not more than 2 or 3 hours a day. So please restrict and give them more of other activities such as maybe art, painting. They can have some board games such as chess, Ludo, snakes and ladders. So something to move them away from the screen and ensure that they're also physically active by playing some or the other games. Spend time having some jokes or having a fun time with the kids, so the kids overall feel positive about being at home and not missing their school time. Lastly, the mental health. See, every day we are glued to TV channels and newspaper media reports that so many people have corona, so many people have died with corona. See, all this news is quite gloomy, and along with the economic downturn, this can seriously have a mental impact. Furthermore, many adults are not able to meet their friends, socializing is almost not there. So it is definitely a stressful time. So it is important for us to keep in touch with our friends, our relatives, our colleagues via phone, emails, WhatsApp chats, so that some amount of socializing is still there. Adults also should stick to a routine, preferably avoid spending hours together watching news or reading on newspapers. They could keep it short for a 30 to 45 minutes as a news update once a day in their trusted channels, and not looking at everything and getting unnecessarily worked up about it. So the key to immunity is doing all the routine things what we used to do before, and keeping a positive mental balance.